Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize branding with Canva, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Canva website or opening the Canva app. Create a free account if you haven't already, or log into your existing account. Once logged in, you'll see a variety of template options. Begin by selecting a template that aligns with your brand's identity. Browse through categories like social media, presentations, or marketing materials. Click on a template to open the design editor. Familiarize yourself with the interface, focusing on the toolbar options. To customize the template, start by changing the colors to match your brand palette. Click on the elements to modify their colors easily. Select text boxes to input your brand name and slogan. Adjust the font style to reflect your brand's personality using the font options. You can find additional font choices in the text section. Ensure your chosen fonts are legible and consistent across your designs. Consider adding your logo to various designs for brand consistency. Upload your logo by clicking on the Uploads tab in the sidebar. Drag and drop the logo into your design where appropriate. Use the Elements section to find graphics and icons that complement your branding. Incorporate shapes or lines to enhance visual interest without overshadowing your content. Play around with the layout to create a balanced and appealing design. Once satisfied, preview your design to ensure all elements are cohesive. After finalizing your design, download it by clicking the Download button in the top right corner. Choose the appropriate file format depending on how you plan to use the design. Store your branded assets in a dedicated folder for easy access in the future. Repeat this process for all branding materials. Regularly revisit your designs to ensure they align with any changes in your brand strategy. By following these steps, you'll effectively optimize your branding using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.